Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to share Audible books with a friend. You can begin by setting up an Amazon household. This feature allows two adults to link their accounts, sharing eligible digital content, including most Audible audiobooks. Both adults must agree to share payment methods and digital libraries. Once activated, shared audiobooks appear automatically in each adult's Audible library. This is an excellent way for family members to enjoy an expanded collection, offering convenience and a wide variety of listening experiences. Another simple way to share the joy of an audiobook is by gifting it directly. When you purchase an Audible title, you have the option to buy it as a gift. You simply enter your friend's email address, and they will receive a notification with a redemption link. They do not need an active Audible membership to claim and listen to their new book, making it a perfect present for any occasion. This method ensures your friend gets to enjoy a specific title you know they will love. You can also introduce a friend to Audible by sending them a free book from your library. Look for the Send This Book option next to an eligible title in your app. Your friend will receive a text or email link to claim their first book completely free of charge. This is a fantastic, no-cost way to share a favorite story and let someone experience Audible for the first time. If they choose to become a member, you might even receive a special referral credit, a nice bonus for sharing. Before sharing, always confirm your friend's preferred email address to ensure smooth delivery of any gifts or free books. Remember, Amazon Household requires both adults to reside at the same physical address for eligibility. While many Audible titles are shareable, specific licensing might apply to some. It is always wise to quickly review Audible's current sharing policies. These policies can evolve, so staying informed ensures you are using the most up-to-date methods for your audiobook sharing adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.